Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the basic of classification. The basic of classification divided into the four part, that is geographical, chronological, quantitative and numerical. The first we discuss the geographical. The classification of data is based on the geographical or locational difference of the data. The data relating to the number of farm producing bicycle in India would be classified under, means here you can see the table number of farm producing bicycle in 2020 across different locations Punjab, Haryana and UP. That is the example of geographical. And next, chronological classification. When data are classified on the basis of the time, it is known as the chronological classification. The example for this, here you can see the sale of a firm year 2011 80 lakh, 2012 90 lakh, 2013 95 lakh. So here are the example of the chronological. The principal difference between the geographical classification and chronological classification is that while geographical classification present data into the different classes corresponding to the different geographical locations, and in the chronological classification present data into different classes corresponding to the different time interval. The third point is qualitative classification. This classification according to the qualities and attributes of the data. For example, data may be classified on the basis of occupation, religions, level of intelligence, populations. The classification may be two type. A simple classification, it is called classification according to the dichotomy. This is because data divided on the basis of existence and absence of quality. Male, female, health, unhealthy, educated, uneducated are the example of dichotomy. Then manifold classification. When the classification according to the quality of data involve more than one characteristic, it is called the manifold classification or multiple classification. As the result, there may be more than two classes. For example, factory of worker may classify skill and unskills. These may be further classified into literate, illiterate, still further divided rural and urban area. So these are the example of the manifold classification. Next, quantity or numerical classifications. Data are classified on the classes group on the basis of their numerical value. In other words, each class of the data is capable of quantity expression, can be expressed in the terms of some numerical figure, like weight can be expressed in kg, height can be expressed uh, in the centimeter. Classes are made on the basis of numerical value of fact. A number of class are formed keep in view of the lowest and highest value as well as range of the value in the data. Or each class of the set data refer to the phenomena like wages or profit and automobile industry, which can be explained in the figure like Indian rupees. Then concept of variable. A characteristic or a phenomena which is capable of being measured of the change in value over time is called variable. For example, value refers that quantity which is subjected to change and which can be measured by the some unit. If we measure the weight of the student class 11, the weight of the student will be called the variable. A variable is either by the discrete or continuous. A discrete variable are those variables that increase in jump in the complete number, and continuous variable that assume a range of value or increase not in jump but continuously in the fraction are called continuous variable. Thank you.